All right, still can't find what the news is yet in Salesforce, but I will keep looking there. Let's see what else we got across the board here. Okay, did anybody wind up, I know when in our talks yesterday about Abbott, you know, we were looking all day long potentially an iron condor. We didn't do anything, but I think somebody may have done something. So if anybody did, let me know so I can help you. But stock is pretty unchanged. I mean, down a little bit, so it looks kind of good there. If you did something looking for, you know, a non-move. And then also a lot of other earnings today. IBM leading the pack. We've got Morgan Stanley tomorrow morning. CSX after the close today. Bank of America was out already today. Let's get Abbott off the board there.